I'm from AP, sir.
AP, okay, good. Right. Let's jump into our session.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much for replying my questions. Okay. And very good evening to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the Salesforce. Actually, this is a small demo session. Let me give. I'll give you a entire structure of the Salesforce into a brief. It's not about end to end. It's I'm going to give you in brief. And so whatever the syllabus and whatever the inputs we are going to learn, we are going to get this from Yellowka, which is an institute. And coming to about me, just I'm Aditya. I have 11 years of experience into a Salesforce and currently working as a technical manager, some tutor also. And I'm the one who is going to give a demo for you. Firstly, before going to start about Salesforce, let's give a small intro about Yellowka. So Yellowka has been established in 2017. We are into our different domains, like in terms of education, in terms of digital marketing, and in terms of IT. And the main motto, just whenever I've till today, just whatever sessions which I took, they mainly look for the quality of education along with the placement assistance. I saw that. It's my personal opinion. It's my perspective, because I saw a live, so which is why I'm in a position to give you this word. And also they follow different kind of strategies. You know, we have they look for the limited students, and also if that limited students are struggling in somewhere or they are lagging in some of the areas, so they'll conduct few more sessions for them to give up to shine them or to groom them in terms of technical point of view, in terms of success of career also. And they're offering many courses, like as I say, like being a part of Yellowka. So I should not say I should say that I should use the word called we. We offering many courses which are booming into today, like Azure, SAP is there, automation tools are there, and DevOps is there. There are so many courses they are providing along with the Salesforce. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, before going to jump into our session, just I would like to know a brief about Sri Lalita as well as Sri Ramachandra.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Sri Lalita. Thanks for joining.
Hi, sir.
Ma'am, do you have any IT experience before, or it's
No, sir, I'm fresher.
So you are a fresher, okay. Sri Ramachandra?
He's on mute, sir.
Yeah, he's on mute. Are you there, Sri Ramachandra? Okay. It's okay. No problem. Venkat, could you give me a brief about do you have any technical experience or how is that, like your background? Just I would like to know your background. That's it.
Okay, I'm new to Salesforce. I have a background like I worked previously in Oracle, PL/SQL, and SQL developer.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So I think Sri Ramchandra is on mute, it seems. Anyways, no problem. Let's start our session. Did I share my screen?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Thank you. What about now?
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Now. Okay. So this is Yellowka. This is a leaflet of Yellowka. So they are they're offering online and as well as an offline Salesforce courses with 100% placement assistance. So if you have any questions, any kind of queries, if you are not comfortable to talk over the phone call, there is an email is available. You can draft an email to them like info@yellowkaeducations.com. This is one of the leaflet, and also there is an internship also is available along with the project training. So if you guys are comfortable to go ahead, yeah, there is an you can do so. And along with that, this is one of the we are providing a free demo, and up to 2 to 3 classes you can attend that entire demo. The 3 classes will be the demo along with the small intro about the Salesforce and how it is begun and how we have to start. So we do providing a live trainer assistance along with that, and they are giving you IT and non-IT courses. So this is a website. You can visit the website and you can have you can come across with your questions. So also there is a ma'am is there in the call, like her name is Santosh ma'am. Just you can approach her. So if you are not comfortable to talk over the call. Clear?
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
But is this like this course covers like admin part or development part?
I'm about to tell you that actually.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
So my next I would say like words are about the courses.
Sure.
So we are going to cover like both configuration as well as the customization. So configuration is nothing but the admin, which he said, like I apologize who said that. So configuration is nothing but admin is nothing but configuration. Customization comes under Apex classes, triggers, LWC components, etc. Just we are going to cover in this. So any questions on this? On a course menu part, like I'll share in our future sessions what are the topics which I'm going to cover and everything.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Venkat, Murali, Parvati,
No.
Sri Lalita, Sri Ramachandra.
No, sir.
No.
No questions? Are we good to go?
Yeah.
Thank you. So, have you heard about the Salesforce? From where you have heard this word called Salesforce? Did anyone told you to approach the Salesforce? How is that?
For me, like, well, I'm working on MuleSoft integration. So we need to integrate with some of our Salesforce.
Is that Murali?
Yeah, this is Murli.
Yeah.
So at the time, our manager told that to learn about Salesforce because we are using sending data to Salesforce modules.
Okay, got you.
So I have browsed in internet and then I
Got you.
got interested.
Got you. So anyone else? Would you like to give inputs? So where you heard and how you came to a Salesforce? Did anyone referred you to learn Salesforce, or it's your, by doing your R&D, I mean to say analysis, like which course is best to get the job, or where we are getting so many jobs in the market. So how is that? Any input, like on a single input, then I'll start the session. Okay. So how many of you heard about the cloud computing? This is a basic. How many of you heard about the cloud computing?
Yeah, I heard. I have a little bit AWS.
AWS. Okay, good. What about Parvati, Sri Lalita, Venkat, Sri Ramachandra?
Not
No
really
clue?
much for this cloud computing, but with cloud applications.
Okay, cloud applications, fine. Okay, I'll give you a basic example. I'll give you very basic example. Okay. Let me give you this thing. So how many of you see, most of us, we have a Gmail account, is that right?
Yes.
And we are storing entire information over the cloud. I mean, like, so whenever we want to transfer some data, for instance, like you want to start, you want to transfer or you want to keep some, major information or a very vital information over the cloud. So what you'll do, you will take that complete information, you will put it in a Google Drive. Is that right? Is that right?
Yeah.
So you will put that vital information over the Google Drive, and you will start using it in your office or in somewhere else. For this Google Drive, do we need a specific a system to do so? Or any specific system? I mean to say, there is a single system which we supposed to do get the information. Are we specifying or are we drawing a boundary line? Only this system, only in this system that my documents will going to open.
No.
కదా అంటే
Hmm.
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి అంటే ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మీరు గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్ లో పెట్టినప్పుడు ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మీరు ఏ సిస్టమ్ నుంచి అయినా యాక్సెస్ చేయొచ్చు. దానికి జస్ట్ ఒక ఇంటర్నెట్ ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఈజ్ దట్ రైట్?
Correct.
కదా?
Yes.
సో ఐ డోంట్ నీడ్ అ స్పెసిఫిక్ సిస్టమ్ సో టు హోల్డ్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. కదా?
Yes.
ఫర్ ఇన్స్టెన్స్ యూ వెంట్ టు యుఎస్. మీరు అందరూ యుఎస్ వెళ్ళిపోయారు అనుకోండి, మంచి యుఎస్ యూకే వెళ్ళి పెద్ద పెద్ద జాబులు చేస్తున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళు ఏం అడిగారంటే, బాబు మీకు మేము గ్రీన్ కార్డ్ ఇవ్వదలుచుకున్నాము, గ్రీన్ కార్డ్ అప్లై చేస్తాం, మీ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ సెండ్ చేయండి అన్నారు. బై మిస్టేక్ వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్, నీ సిస్టమ్ క్రాష్ అయింది. However, you have stored that to keep that main content information over the Google Drive.
Log into the application to mail ID. User.
Yeah, you will connect that email ID and you will take that information from the Google Drive, right? It means that without having any kind of a system configuration, you are storing your information over the Google Drive.
Yes, sir. Just log into mail ID and
Just you are logging to your Google ID. Yeah, exactly. Who said that? Super catch. So we are keeping the information over the Google Drive and we are accessing it whenever we want. So Google Drive, it is nothing but a cloud. So they are holding some, they are giving some kind of a space to everyone who have associated with them. Is that right? ఎవరైతే వాళ్ళు గూగుల్ అకౌంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళందరికీ ఒక సర్టన్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ స్పేస్ ఇస్తున్నారు. బాబు నువ్వు ఒక 15 GB వరకే స్టోర్ చేసుకోగలవు, 15 GB వరకే స్టోర్ చేసుకోగలవు అని చెప్తోంది గూగుల్ డ్రైవ్, రైట్? గూగుల్ చెప్తోంది మీకు, అవునా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
That is nothing but a cloud computing. See, cloud computing is all about using a remote server to store, manage, and process the data. In simple terms, storing or accessing your data or programs over the internet rather than your own hard drive. Clear? With this generalized example, are you guys clear with the cloud computing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
So it means that you are accessing your storing and accessing your information in data over the cloud. Just internet is enough to access your data. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If now onwards, if someone asks you what is the cloud computing, what would be your answer? You can simply give an example to them. For instance,
Anywhere
storing. Yeah, go ahead.
Anywhere
please.
we are logging into mail ID and password.
Yeah.
We are logging into application, then we see the data.
Yes, you can say a simple terminology to them. Can I get it directly? Oh, one second. Vamsi, it started just now, Vamsi. This is my first slide. Till now, just I was doing an interactive session with the with us with our friends. So nothing to worry. This is the first slide, and this is the first example or a first initial topic. Nowadays, most of them are moving into the cloud. Why? Any idea? Most of the cloud, even Murali said that very good word. He came from the AWS. That is also cloud. So why the people, why the companies, why the most of the organization, big organizations are running behind these cloud computing technologies? Why is that?
Because maintenance is bit maintenance is easy.
To
Maintenance
speed up the
is,
loading.
yeah, exactly. Two major points, extraordinary points. Maintenance is very easy. Extraordinary points. Who said that? First one is Murali, another one?
Vamsi.
Vamsi. Excellent point. See, the reason is you don't need to maintain anything. You can just keep entire information over the cloud and you can start accessing it. Right? Due to that, you don't need to maintain any kind of a configuration systems. Like you don't need GBs of RAM. Right? You can simply opt for any of the cloud systems, cloud technologies, and you can start using it. Is that right? So that I can avoid the manpower and also I can avoid the infrastructure as well. Is that right? Right. Next one. What is the CRM? I'm eagerly, I'm desperately waiting for this answer from you people. What is the CRM?
Customer relationship manager.
Exactly, good. Not manager, it's a management. You're somewhat right.
Management is right.
Pardon me, Parvati.
Customer relation management.
Customer relationship management, good. Anyone else? Murali, Parvati is done. Sri Lalita, Venkat, Vamsi.
Customer relatable management.
Okay. You are also somewhere right, somewhat right. Venkat,
It's customer relationship management, something.
good. You're right, are also right. Who else missed? Parvati is done, Murali is done, Sri Lalita is done, Venkat is Vamsi. It's your turn.
Yeah, I already told that customer relationship manager. That's why you
Okay.
told me that management.
Yeah. So, however, whoever given the answer, all are correct. All are correct. I'll give you a simple example. Okay. There is a store. There is a store. They are selling the products. So refrigerators, air cooler, air conditioners, and mobile phones, laptops, and everything. So all of you bought, someone bought a refrigerator, someone got air conditioner, someone bought a phone. All has been done. Okay, now, so Vamsi wants to buy the product and he went to a store and he started asking, he started having a communication with the people or store people who represent or who try to show the products, right? What they'll call it as. So they started having a conversation with Vamsi. In that, one of the phone like iPhone 14, so he liked a lot. Once he liked a lot and he would like to buy the product. However, he was looking for some kind of an offers or some kind of, thing which is not happening in that particular store. Then what Vamsi did, like he went to another office, another storeroom, like even there also they are saying the same price. Now in the store, they are offered some extra benefits or some kind of an extra fee, extra, facilities for you. Now they while leaving, Vamsi have given his number. And they started called Vamsi and they said that Vamsi, this product is available or this product is about to end or this product is about to sell. Would you like to buy? Then Vamsi agreed for that and he went and he bought that phone around 1.5, 1,50,000. And along with that, Murali, Parvati, Srilalita, Venkat, everyone bought up their items. Now they are keep on talking with the that particular vendors, and in terms of is there any problems with with that products, or is there any extra new products came into the market? So they keep on doing it. Sometimes calls, sometimes email, sometimes leaflet, sometimes SMSs. So these kind of activities. Tracking these kind of activities is nothing but a CRM. See, customer relationship management. So whatever the approaches which the vendors took in terms of calls, in terms of emails, in terms of leaflets, in terms of messages, they will go in terms of analysis. They'll start doing analysis. So on which strategy we are getting most number of profits. Are remarkable profits. So that approach, they will hold it and they'll follow that approach. And they will keep track of the customer information in terms of emails, in terms of phone number, in terms of in emails, or in terms of calls and everything. Everything they will track it. Everything they will track it. That is called a CRM. So can I say this thing like, can I frame the sentence like this? CRM is software to track the customer activities such as the number of calls he made, number of times visiting to an office, or number of products he purchased. Can I use this, can I frame the sentences like this? Can I? Can I use like that? Can I do so? Can I do so? Guys? Just a second, huh?
Yes.
Can I say that on CRM? Can I?
Sir? Yeah.
Yes, I can say that. If someone asks you what is the CRM, what is your simple definition? What is your simple definition? CRM is a software to track the customer activity information and as well as the customer information. Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Both activity and information.
Yes.
Okay.
That is the reason most of the even most of the real estate companies or most of the things, they'll start calling you people.
Okay. Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
It's clear.
Next one, how it is begun. So I can say that how it is begun. So the beginning has been started like this. Most of the companies, they have started using before CRM. I'm talking about before CRM. Before CRM, what happened, they used to do so many kind of they used to do like hire the manpower, and they used to hire the a different kind of configuration system, and they used to buy the softwares.
Okay, they used to maintain their own customers'
There
data.
are so many things, like they used to spend millions of dollars. They used to spend millions of dollars on that, especially to run that software. I don't want to discuss this point, actually, just I'll discuss this point in later on our future slides. Okay, due to that, companies losing their money, and along with the problem, they are not even they are not in a position to get the profits, because this manpower, infrastructure, and the softwares took a lot of time and lot of lot of things from the clients. So they are not ready to buy, or they are not to go with the CRMs. So which is why they have started a software along with the by clubbing cloud computing along with the CRM. Clear? If someone asks you how it all began, you should be in a position to tell them so how it has begun and why they took the CRM and cloud computing club together, and they have introduced the software into the market. Is that clear?
Yes.
Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Am I boring you
Yes, sir.
people?
No.
Till now, whatever the things which I have told you, these will be very, very important. And in terms of like when you are going for the interviews, these questions they may ask you, like, to get to know, like, okay, how much he know about the basics. Now, let's talk about the main topic called Salesforce. So what do you mean by Salesforce? Whatever the things which I have done which I have discussed today, till now, not today, till now. Can I club all the sentences? Can I start using this Salesforce? Can I use that? Can I club together and give a new definition for the Salesforce? If yes, what kind of definition we can give to it?
What definition? CRM? Is it? Is a CRM?
One thing good. I like that. I know the answer. Who said that? Murali? Is that Vamsi?
Yeah, Murli.
Yeah, good. So anyone else? Can I say like this? Salesforce is a CRM software, or Salesforce is a cloud computing platform, which is associated with the CRM. Can I say like this? Can I say this like this? Can I say like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, before going to talk about these 2 points together, let me put it like this. And don't think about these things, even this point from here to here. So actually, this is I have prepared this slide for the people who have already, they already know the Salesforce and they are, high level people. So they are. So which is why I forgot to remove all these points. Okay, see, Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management for managing customer relationship and integrating with other systems. Just this point also, forget it, and I'm going to talk in our future slides. Cloud-based relationship management, software management, software management, and maintaining the current customer relationship management along with the integrating with other systems. So can I use a simple word terminology like this? Or else, like if someone asks you what is Salesforce, you can tell them that Salesforce is a cloud computing platform which is associated with the customer relationship management, CRM. That's it, fine. Right, that's fine. That's it, right?
Yeah, sir.
If someone asks you, you can simply tell them like this is what I have heard about it, or this is what I know about Salesforce. That's it. If he really knows this one, so immediately he should be in a position to explain everything. Clear? Now, so this SaaS application I'll tell you later. What made a Salesforce as an instant hit? Can anyone guess? Can anyone, you people, give a guess? Can anyone, you people, give a guess? What made
Understanding
Salesforce as
the
an
customer.
instant hit? Before that, what do you understand by instant hit? Let's understand the terminology first, then after that we can see. However, we can learn those technical terminology later on also. But what do you mean by instant hit?
It's like URL.
Pardon me?
It's like URL. Just log into the application. We are
Okay.
providing instance.
No, not that. Instant
What is
hit
that?
means like in market, suddenly there is a growth for Salesforce. That is what instant hit, right?
Yeah, that's true.
So
What
it was
made an instant
Salesforce was adapted
Just
by
a second, guys.
Amazon. Yeah.
What made an Salesforce an instant hit? What do you mean by instant hit?
It has been
makes...
it has grown rapidly.
Yes,
Less time.
exactly. What made a Salesforce as a #1 technology in the market? Why the companies are running behind the Salesforce? Why the existing applications are transferring into a Salesforce? Why the applications which is already developed or already successfully working since years and years, why they are looking forward to move their entire application into a Salesforce? That is called instant hit. What do you guess? What are your wild guesses on this? What made an instant hit? Why the company people are running behind the Salesforce? Why not on other technologies? Why is that?
Maybe due to cloud.
Good point.
Integrating cloud with it.
Yes, on a valid point. Next. See, I already given this answer for you people in our previous slides. We have discussed this one. You knew it, answer. Parvati, Srilalita, Vamsi. I think Venkat is left.
It is a SaaS, a software as a
Yeah, we will
service.
discuss about that. We will discuss about it. However, like, and also I have when I was giving you the definition of a Salesforce, I have clubbed two terminologies. One is a cloud computing, another one is a CRM.
CRM, yes.
Can I use that CRM thing over here?
Yeah, it is a CRM with cloud.
Cloud. Can I amend these 2 points to Salesforce to give an instant hit? Can I?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Changing
also,
business module.
what is that?
Changing business module.
Wow, that my next point is business module, right? Changing the business module, changing the business structure. Excellent point. Changing the business structure. It means that it will be available for a small scale business as well as large enterprise applications, large enterprise systems. And also, this software, Salesforce, is available on a rent basis as well, subscription basis as well. Clear? On a subscription basis as well, this is available. And also, we don't need any kind of a specific system. We can directly go to an internet cafe, you can give your username and password, and you can log into the system and you can start working on that. Don't you think so? Which is very easy for us. Don't you think so? Like, it's very easy for us. Don't you think so? It's very easy. Do we need any kind of installation? Murali know better than us, I think, like installation and everything. Well, Murali as well as Vamsi.
Yes, sir.
Guys, like you, even Vamsi also worked on Oracle. Like even Parvati also might be know about this
Yes.
installation and everything. She also learned some Oracle related stuff.
Yeah, installations will get very tough sometimes.
Vamsi, what about you?
Migration,
Migration, correct.
batches.
My Vamsi?
Actually, I didn't work anywhere. Actually, my previous job is in sales, like it's a field sales. I
Okay.
have 2 years, two and
Okay,
2,
Venkat,
3
it
years
seems.
for the job.
Venkat is PLSQ. Even Sri Ramachandra also there. Next. Let's come into our Salesforce architecture. Very, very important. If you see a large enterprise system, flexible, scalable metadata platform and everything, apart from these two, there is a word called trusted multi-tenant cloud. Just forget about all these points. We can discuss later on. There is a word called trusted multi-tenant environment. How many of you knew about it?
No, I haven't heard.
You haven't heard about it? What do you mean by word called tenant?
Tenant means host tenant.
What do you mean by tenant? Anyone? Parvati, Srilalita. Hey, let's make it as an interactive session. Just this, it should not be a always
Exactly, I
in one
don't
way.
know, sir. What
Pardon
is
me?
exactly? I don't know, sir.
No, see anything. If you don't know, just come back and tell me. Just sir, I don't know. That's it. I'm very happy. Just if you people are interacting with me, right? I feel very happy.
Okay,
Either
okay.
it
So
may
I
be
don't
yes
know
or
anything
no.
about
At
it.
least tenant. You know the word called tenant. Have you heard? Came across before?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Those who take rent.
Who take the
Rental.
rent?
Yes.
Tenant. We can call it as a tenant, right?
Yeah.
Trusted multi-tenant environment. What do you mean trusted multi-tenant environment?
Multi-tenant flow.
Okay, I'll give you a simple example for this. What is a multi-tenant environment? Just imagine somewhere there we are constructing a villas. Okay, there is a big land and they are constructing a villas. It means that they are using all the facilities which is given by the particular venture people in terms of electricity, in terms of clubhouse, in terms of a swimming pool, in terms of playground, in terms of hospital, in terms of water, in terms of school. Clear? They are giving a place and they are inviting you to utilize the facilities which is given by those people by paying the rent, sometimes buying the particular space. Can I say this is a multi-tenant environment? Multi means many.
Okay. Okay.
Single
Different
application.
services.
Pardon me, Murali.
Multiple services.
Multiple service used by the single application used by the multiple clients.
Okay.
That is called trusted multi-tenant environment. So they will give you the security also, right? They'll before going to entering into villa, they'll try to call you. Sir, so and so person is waiting for you to talk to you. So shall I send you to your place? If you knew that person, just you obviously say yes. Otherwise, you'll simply say that no, I don't know that person. Don't encourage him to enter into our premises. You'll say upfront, right?
Yeah. Yes. Correct.
That is called trusted environment. So for every application, they will give you some username and password. With the username and password only, you can able to access your space which is given by the Salesforce. That is called trusted multi-tenant environment. You cannot use I mean like on the fly. You cannot use it. They simply throw you out. Clear?
Yeah.
Any questions? Okay. So that is what multi-tenant environment, scalable metadata platform. So just imagine by giving you an application, will that work out for you? So Srilalita and Parvati bought a Salesforce. Now they want, they want to put on images and they want to allow their brother or a mother or someone into the system and they want to create an account and they want a different UI. Will that work out? Whatever the application which is inbuilt application which is given by Salesforce, will that work it out?
Yeah.
Okay, illu konukunnaru. Okay, ఆ ఇల్లు కొనుక్కునేసరికి మీకు నచ్చలేదు. So what you'll do? దాన్ని రెనోవేట్ చేయిస్తారు కదా.
Yes.
Some modifications.
Modifications చేయిస్తారు. అలాంటి modifications కూడా Salesforce allow చేస్తుంది చేయడానికి. That is called scalable metadata platform. It will allow you to do a customizations.
Customizations also we are.
It will allowing it.
Okay, sir.
అర్థమైందా? ఒక ఇల్లు కొనుక్కున్నప్పుడు నీకు ఇష్టం లేదు అనుకోండి, దాన్ని మీకు అనుగుణంగా మార్చేసుకుంటారు కదా, అంటే హాల్ ఒకలాగా ఉండడం, లేకపోతే ఆ కిచెన్ ఇంకోలా ఉండడం, మీ బెడ్రూమ్ లోకి డిఫరెంట్ కలర్ వేయించుకోవడము. సో all these kind of customization, it will be given by the Salesforce, though they are giving you the inbuilt applications and inbuilt objects and everything, and along with that they'll give you a privilege to do a customizations on that. That is called metadata platform. Next one is a enterprise ecosystem. So it is, as I told you earlier, it is applicable for the small scale of industries along with the enterprise systems. It will be in a position to apply. It will be in a position to give a privilege or give a facility or a facilitate for the large scale of industries as well. And APIs. So unlike with other systems, there are few inbuilt APIs have been available in Salesforce. In terms of Facebook, you can directly connect with say Facebook. In terms of Google Drive, in terms of Outlook, in terms of everything, you don't need to write anything. Just as simply you have to connect it with the help of codes, some kind of codes they will provide. With that codes you can connect it. Is that clear? However, yeah, there are few softwares which you need to write the code. However, but Google Drive, Outlook, Facebook, WhatsApp, and all these things you can directly interact with the Salesforce without having any kind of an APIs. Inbuilt APIs. Those are called inbuilt APIs. Now let's understand the service nature. Very, very important. First thing is the software as a service. Murali said that right point in the beginning when I was telling that what made it as an instant hit. SaaS, software as a service. Software as a service is nothing but installing without having any installations, without any downloads, without any setups. You can simply log in into the Salesforce and start using it because it's an inbuilt application already given by the Salesforce. You just start using it. That is called SaaS, software as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. You don't need any kind of a separate platform is required. You can develop the code in a Salesforce itself. You can deploy the applications within the Salesforce itself. They have a different applications called different tool called Chainsets to deploy the data. And they have a thing called developer console to develop the data, to develop any kind of programming, and everything is available inbuilt in that. So you don't need to write anything extra. However, they have given us privileges to other API tools like Eclipse, Visual Studio, etc. to write down the code and to deploy into the organization or a Salesforce instance. Infrastructure as a service, no hardware is required, no installation is required, nothing. Just your data and application will be stored in the application. That's it. So as I told till now in my entire conversation, did I said anything related infrastructure? You need specific configuration, unlike like SAP or other Informatica, a Tableau kind of thing. Did I said anything like that? No, right?
No.
So even that facility also available using these points. These are the points, and I mean few of the points which is insisting for the companies to approach the Salesforce. Next thing is that services and products. Very, very important. These are the few more services which is providing by the Salesforce, and and attracting towards to buy the license. First thing is that Salesforce Sales Cloud. So however, you have buy the product. If you develop the product, if you keep that product, I'll give a small example. So by U4, I have created a product. Now, if you have developed a product, how the outside people will get to know? Either you 4 people supposed to tell, to how many people you will tell them that you probably at least cases you will tell to your friends or your colleagues or your neighbors. Will you able to tell to entire world?
No.
So with the help of Sales Cloud, you can do so. To manage your organization sales and everything you can done on this. You can do with this. Next is Marketing Cloud. Now you have bought the product, you have developed a product. How you are going to deploy into the market? So you will use the different strategies: emails, mobile phone, social media, web personalization, content creation, digital marketing, leaflets. So you will apply different kind of strategies and you will promote the product. Even that can be done in the Marketing Cloud. That can be done in the Salesforce if you buy as a license. So first thing is that you can buy the product or you can sell the product. And also Service Cloud. When you buy the product and you want to do any kind of you are facing any kind of issues and you want to do a repair on that, and you can do raise in case with the Salesforce, and you will tell the particular people this is what the issue, and that particular concerned team will approach you and they will give you a proper service to go ahead or to fix the issue. Another Commerce Cloud. So it will give you the online application as well as inline store. If you watch the Amazon, so it will contain all the products. So the same products will be available in the store, and also same products will be available in the online. Even that facility also Salesforce is giving to you. Analytical Cloud. So you have large number of data, and you want to, in terms of graphs or dashboards, you want to prepare the dashboards, you want to represent the data and everything. So how will you do so? Even that can be done over here.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Please. I welcome your questions.
Okay. Right now, you have shown us that Service Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and all these.
Yes.
All these are separate modules are integrated inbuilt in Salesforce as a one product.
So if you buy the product, yes, you will get everything.
Okay, all these.
Yeah, all these will come as a bonus to you.
A byproduct means like taking license. You're saying.
Exactly, yes, taking license.
So you told Salesforce as a software as a service and platform as a service. So
Yes.
is there any difference? Like if you can take it as a if you take license, how is it like PaaS or SaaS for us?
It's a PaaS, SaaS, and infrastructure as a service.
Okay.
All together.
Totally.
Totally, yes.
Everything will come into
Everything,
that.
yes.
Okay. So that means SaaS will cover all of them. So we can think as it is a SaaS only, no?
So even a platform, see, if you think about the platform, is this any kind of a software is available over here? Any kind of platform related stuff is available over here?
Okay.
No,
But
right?
No.
You simply need any kind of system is fine. You can work from anywhere. You can take any other system, even your mobile phones are fine.
Okay, got it. Okay. So we can write code and deploy our new customized applications in that.
Everything, even see, you don't need any kind of even external application to do so. So they have a separate tool called Developer Console. There you can do that.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So another one is Health Cloud. So which is not that famous in India, but however in abroad, like it's very famous, like US, UK, Canada. So they use everything in terms of doctor appointment, in terms of medical reports, in terms of bill payment, in terms of insurance, everything will be done by the health cloud. But we have not implemented that much in India, to be honest.
Hmm.
So what are the companies which are using Salesforce? Have you heard about the General Electronics?
Yes, I have. GE.
GE General Electronics, very famous. What
Yes,
about
yes.
Amazon,
Yeah, Amazon. Everybody knows.
Flipkart,
Yes,
Kotak Bank,
yeah,
HSBC,
yes.
IDBI,
Bank. Yeah.
Sony, Coca-Cola,
Okay.
Becton Dickinson, medicine.
Mhm.
Most of the companies are using Salesforce itself,
Okay. For their CRM, mainly for CRM.
mainly for the CRM.
That means a CRM means complete sales, marketing, everything will come.
Everything. See, if you buy a product, Murali, so obviously
Yeah.
they should be in a position to serve the product also, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Good.
Right. And also on the products, they have to analyze the profits on that.
Mm.
That's it for the session. So
Okay.
any questions you have, you can kindly ask me. So I will try to help you out.
So I need content of our course, like which topics we will be covering.
Sure, I'll definitely share that. Like in our next session, I'll definitely share that. Like
Sure.
what is the content which I'm going to talk and everything.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry. I promise you people, like, to help you out in all aspects.
Sure.
Actually, I didn't know about that Salesforce. Can I get more detail about that? And
What kind of details you need, Vamsi? If I'm not wrong, he's
yeah,
the Vamsi.
I seen that they in Google the what the Salesforce. There is so many domains included in that. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, you got confused. However,
Yeah.
your doubts will be clarified. You will get clear in our next sessions.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is just an overall basic demo I have given. So it's not a content specific. It's an overall session. So in terms of salary wise, depends upon the experience you are going to get. So there is a huge market on the Salesforce. So nothing to worry on that. You'll get
Yeah.
very good jobs.
Actually, I have career gap on that. Can I? There is a
No
chance.
problem.
Okay.
Do you believe that the guy completed his MC around 2009 and he joined in the job in 2015? So how many years of experience? How many years as gap is there?
6
It's
years.
4 years.
Hey, 2009, man, he completed 2009
6.
MCA. 6 years gap.
అది మీరు తెలుగు అండి, మీరు తెలుగు
అవునండి, నేను తెలుగే.
రెజ్యూమ్ లో మనం ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఏదైనా పెట్టాలి, దానికి ఏమైనా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారా? ఎట్లా ఏదైనా రియల్ టైం?
మీకు అన్ని ఉంటాయండి, మన దాని గురించి మనం ఫ్యూచర్ డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం అన్ని ఉంటాయి.
ఓకే.
మ్యామ్ ఉన్నారు, సో యు ఆర్ నథింగ్ టు వరీ. మీకు ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నా డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ అప్రోచ్ మ్యామ్. షీ విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ అవుట్. నథింగ్ టు వరీ.
షూర్. Thank you.
Any questions from anyone? Sri Lalita, Parvati.
Clear, sir.
అండ్ రేపు జాయిన్ అవడానికి లింక్ అది ఎలా ప్రొవైడ్? అది నేను టెలిగ్రామ్ లో చూసి జాయిన్ అయ్యాను. అది
ఎవరది? వంశీ కృష్ణనా? వంశీ, అది నేను నీతో మాట్లాడతాను. నాకు పర్సనల్ గా పింక్ చేయి
టెలిగ్రామ్ లోనా?
అవును.
ఓకే.
Parvati,
Sir.
any questions?
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you, and I'll join next section. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for attending my session. Have a great day. and have a great night. I would say great night.
Tomorrow
Thank
take the same time, sir.
Not same time, just we'll let you know, because from Nick, even I'm not sure, ma'am will help you out.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Please be in touch with ma'am. She'll help you out for everything. Any
Yeah.
kind of question in terms of course related, in terms of any kind of content. If you are struggling to understand with my language, మీరు అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ అడగొచ్చు. I'm comfortable in Hindi, I'm comfortable in Marathi, and I'm comfortable in Telugu also.
Sir, all Telugu.
నేను మరాఠీ కూడా అంటే కొద్ది మాట్లాడగలను. I can, but whereas if you talk in Marathi, I can able
Are
to
you from which location, sir?
And madam,
Are you from which location?
నేను హైదరాబాద్ అండి. నేను born and brought up in హైదరాబాద్.
Okay, sir.
నేను పక్కా ఆంధ్ర అబ్బాయిని.
Okay.
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 Right. See you tomorrow. See you all in our session and next sessions. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.